Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's video, it's time for some Mega Drive testing on the LDK. Let's go. Let's play some Sega. Okay. All right. Oh, this is the game we'll all be waiting for. Angry Birds, the homebrew game. Oh, that was not really a good run. Okay, again. Always the question, where are my buttons? And of course I'm using my photo. Damn it! Go away. That is really bad. I suck at the game. Never mind. Do you know what I love about this thing? Fast forward! Skip the shit! Let's go! Let's play! Alright, yes, okay, thank you. Wow, Emulation is pretty damn good on this thing. And as you can see, we can also save. Okay, let's save. Yes. Alright, thank you. Okay, now we can load very quickly. Okay, we're going turbo mode. Yeah, skip it. This is skip the shit. Okay, here we go. And load. Oh, I fall back downstairs. I don't want this. Oh, that's load. Oh yeah. Oh, ultimate way of cheating. I want extra life. And we can save again if you want. Really cool, don't you think? Yep, fast forward. Let's fast forward the game. Alright, so for the final conclusion, if you want to play some Mega Drive games on the LDK, I think this is a really cool portable to do so. Because the emulation is very good, the supported ROMs, I have no weird glitches or any problems. The emulation is pretty decent. Again, I just keep saying, I'm very surprised with this. Let me know what you think of this, I really love to know. So, thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And if you like gameplay, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time, bye bye.